attention. Take care of that. Here we have some rules. We need to memorize them. We have some rules. We need to memorize them very well. Very, very well. So please focus with me. Okay. Rule number 1. If the adjective ends in Y. If the adjective ends in Y. So what will we do to make it a comparative adjective? We will say bye Y, delete Y, and add I-E-R instead of E-R only. We can't add E-R. We can't add E-R. We will add I-E-R. Bye Y and add I-E-R. Bye Y and add I-E-R. For example, number 1, the brown box is heavier than the red one. The brown box is heavier than the red one. So we deleted Y and added I-E-R. Number 2, the monkey is funnier than the rabbit. The monkey is funnier than the rabbit. By Y and added I-E-R. This is rule number 1. Let's move to rule number 2. If the adjective ends in E. If the adjective ends in E. Can we add ER? Of course not. We can't add ER. We will add only R. We will add only R instead of ER. So if the adjective ends in E, we will add only R. We will add only R instead of ER. For example, number 1, football is nicer than tennis. Here, nice ends with E. So we added only R. We added only R. Number 2, my house is larger than yours. My house is larger than yours. Here, large ends with E. Large ends with E. So we added only E. We added only E. Clear? Primary 3. Focus with me. The last rule, number 3. If the adjective ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC pattern, what will we do? We will double the final consonant and add ER. Again, if the adjective ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC pattern, we will double the final consonant and add ER. We will double the final consonant and add ER. For example, my bag is bigger than yours. The adjective is big. The adjective is big. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So it's a CVC pattern. So we doubled the final consonant, double G, and added ER. My bag is bigger than yours. Number 2, summer is hotter than winter. Summer is hotter than winter. Sorry. Here we have hot. Consonant, vowel, consonant, CVC pattern. So we doubled letter D. We doubled the final consonant and added ER. Got it, primary 3? All of you got it? Excellent. Good job. Okay, now let's move to another part of this lesson. Long adjectives. In the last part, we talked about short adjectives. Now we will talk about long adjectives. What are long adjectives? Adjectives of more than 2 syllables. Long adjectives such as dangerous, expensive, difficult, beautiful, and so on. More than 2 syllables. More than 2 syllables. So what is the form of the long adjective? Again, we will start with the noun plus verb plus more or less. Take care of that. We need to memorize the form of the long adjectives. Noun plus verb plus more or less. More or less. Plus the adjective without er. Without er. In the long adjectives, we say bye-bye to er and add instead of it more or less before the adjective. And of course, don't forget than plus noun. So this is the form of the long adjectives. Noun, verb, more or less, adjective, than, noun. Again, noun, verb, more or less, adjective, than, noun. Adjective without er. Without er. Clear? And don't forget than. Don't forget than to compare between two. Only two. Okay, let's see some examples together. Number 1. The red car is a space than the blue car. The red car is more expensive than the blue car. More expensive. Here, expensive. Short adjective or long adjective? Huh? Excellent. It's a long adjective, so I can't add er. So we added more. The red car is more expensive than the blue car. Number 2. English is a space than math. Okay, English is less difficult. Here, difficult. Long adjective or short adjective? Excellent. Long adjective. So we added less. We added less. More or less. More or less. Without er, and don't forget than. Don't forget than. Number 3. Mary is a space than Max. Mary is more intelligent than Max. Here, intelligent, short adjective or long adjective? Excellent. It's a long adjective. So we added more. We added more. More intelligent than. More intelligent than. Excellent, primary 3. Super.
See you in part 3. Don't forget to watch it.